Hi, in front of me is OnePlus 9 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can find all text correction features on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and your currently used keyboard. In my case, Gboard. Over here you need to go into text correction. As you can see, all text correction options are over here. If you want to enable or disable one of them, just click at the switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!